Hey guys, it's Dale, back with another Dale's Desk hardware review. Today I have the iJoy Tornado Rdta that I'm going to break down and show you all the goodies and stuff it has to offer. So let's come in and do the unboxing. This is the awesome box the Tornado Rdta comes in. Once you take the sleeve off and the little piece here, this is the Rdta itself. It's very nice looking, very clean. It also does come with a bag of extra goodies. It does come with 2 pre-made coils as well, which is pretty awesome. So now I'm going to take the tank apart for you guys. And the pieces are your drip tip here, this piece which covers the juice part, that's where you would fill your tank. This unscrews also. This is your chimney here, another sleeve, your glass, your deck, and the piece that holds the deck where your airflow comes from. This is the deck of the Tornado, and it does have the 4 holes in the posts along with nice wide airflow. Your coils will go over the airflow here, and when you wick it, make sure that you cut them about here and shove them into these channels. So once you have your wicks tucked into the channels and cut, I like to put this little piece over and make sure that these holes here line up where your wicks are. Then you take this piece, put your glass on, and take your chimney and screw it all together. And right here, that is where you fill your tank. And put this little guy right back on. And there are O-rings there to hold it in place. And here you'll see an lock and an unlock. If it's unlocked, you're able to pull this piece off to fill it. Whenever you put it back on, make sure it's locked in place. Put your drip tip on, and you're ready to vape. This is the iJoy Tornado Rdta. Get yours at VapeWild.com.